Jag känner en bot, hon heter Anna, Anna heter hon. Och hon kan banna det så hårt. Hon röjer upp i våran kanal. Jag vill berätta för dig att jag känner en bot. Jag känner en bot, hon heter Anna, Anna heter hon. Och hon kan banna det så hårt. Hon röjer upp i våran kanal. Jag vill berätta för dig att jag känner en bot som alltid vaktar alla som är här och som ser till att vi blir utan besvär. Det finns inget takeover som
I know you hoe.
I come in the club, shaking my dreads, throwing these balls and busting these heads. Picture irrelevant stuff on my residence, best of that before I see you collect. I feel a drama committing no crime, not leaving a trace, not leaving the line. We living and bucking cause I got a knife. I blow you away cause you wasting my time. You can ask niggas, I know what to do. I waste your ass, you stuck in my crew. I'm through with you haters, so watch what you do. You talking about me, then I'm talking to you. You bucking on us and we leaving your place. You busting on me, then that shit gon' get nasty. I'm colder than ice and I'm freezing out here. I target your city, but you cannot tell.
If you broke, but you better come to grip. I got some shit out in my trunk, it's gonna make you body. I was just busting out the rip soon as I hit the door. Anybody make a fall, move their bodies on me. Fucking with no hoes, never been no lanes, man. Ain't never been no pussy, niggas scared to know the lane. Grandma moved up in this bitch, break red runners I represent. Fucking with them HB niggas, you bout to get your wig split. Look, if you go up, 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 boy.